So what do you say when people ask you the question, what kind of music do you play? Ironically, what comes out of most people's mouth first are these three words. I don't know, which of course doesn't tell us anything, but then that's usually followed by, I can't really define what I do. My music doesn't really fit neatly into any category. What would be so much better would be to have a great answer, to state it in the positive, to actually have an answer that tells us something about the music that you make, and hopefully pique our interest to where we're curious now and we want to hear your music. Let's talk about a recording artist's identity, vision, and intention. Identity. Who are you? Having a strong identity makes you a more compelling artist. Vision. What is your mission? What are you trying to express? A strong vision provides direction to the entire project. And then your intention. How? How are you going to get this done? A good intention gets it done with purpose. A well-defined vision makes it easier to create compelling art. It makes it easier to find and connect with an audience. It makes it more likely that you'll be written about, that you'll be blogged about, that you'll get reviews in magazines and newspapers. It also makes it easier to attract potential collaborators or funders or label interest, if that's what you're interested in doing. But most of all, it just makes it easier to communicate what it is that you do, whether this is to your fans or whether it's to your friends and your family or other musicians. Conversely, having a weak or non-existent identity, vision, intention often results in really dull and not very interesting recordings.